Hello everyone. Today I will discuss some important questions for aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. It is fully based on concept based questions, right? So let's start. So first question is, which of the following compound is a ketones? All of you know what is the functional group of ketones, right? The functional group of ketone is C double bond O single bond single bond. It is a functional group of ketone. What is the general formula? What is the general formula of ketones? R C double bond O single bond R dash. Okay. So you know ketone they have symmetrical and unsymmetrical. Yes or no? Ketone they have two way you can say. One is the symmetrical, another is the unsymmetrical. Symmetrical ketone is the R equal to R dash, but unsymmetrical ketones R is not equal to R dash. Do you understand my point? Okay, so first of all you check all options. Option number A, CH3 C double bond O single bond S is not a ketones. It's not a ketones. Option number B, CH3 C double bond O single bond CH3. Yes, it is a ketones. Okay, and option C is the aldehyde. Option D is the alcohols. So, which of the following compound is a ketone? That means option number B is the correct answer. Done? Any confusion? No. Chalo. Question number 2. Which reagent is used to distinguish between aldehyde and ketones? Okay, students, here two functional groups are present over here. One is the aldehyde, second one is the ketones. Aldehyde R C double bond O single bond H. It is a functional group of aldehyde. Ketones R C double bond O single bond R. It is a ketones. How to distinguish? Okay, how to segregate? It is a aldehyde, it is a ketones. Now by using the reagent, first of all, students keep in the mind, note point number 1, tolerance reagent. The tolerance reagent is distinguished which one aldehyde, which one ketones. Tolerance reagent is a mild oxidizing agent. Okay, it only oxidize aldehyde, not ketones. Only oxidize aldehyde, not ketones. So here option number B is a tolerance reagent. The option number B is the correct answer. The tolerance reagent is a mild oxidizing agent, only oxidize aldehyde, not ketones. That's why our option is the B. Then question number 3. Question number 3. Which test give a silver mirror with aldehyde? Which test gives silver mirror with aldehyde? Students, silver mirror test, you can also say tolerance test. Tolerance test. Okay, the tolerance test resultant is a silver mirror. Okay, that result should be silver mirror. Ag, it's a precipitate. Okay, the right answer is B, tolerance test. Which test give a silver mirror with aldehyde? Answer is tolerance test. Okay, what is the tolerance test? Ammonical silver nitrate solution. The ammonical silver nitrate solution adding with aldehyde, okay, to give silver mirror. To give silver mirror. Do you understand my point? Good. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Formaldehyde. Formaldehyde Formaldehyde is the IUPAC. Formaldehyde is the IUPAC name of. ठीक है? Formaldehyde is the IUPAC name of methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. Okay. The right answer is A. Right answer is A. Methanol. Meth means one carbon. Aldehyde. C double bond O, single bond H, single bond H. It is a methanol. Right? That common name is the what? Formaldehyde. Common name is the formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Got it? Now, question number 5. Question number 5. Which of the following does not undergo oxidation easily? Does not undergo oxidation easily. Students, aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde are oxidized very easily. Oxidation easily. Ketone do not. Okay. So first of all, you check option number A, aldehyde. Yeah, you can oxidize very easily. Option number B. Option number B is the ketone. Ketone do not oxidize easily. The right answer is the B. Then question number 6. The functional group in carboxylic acid. Functional group in carboxylic acid is the what? COOH. Question number 7. Question number 7. Which acid is formed by oxidation of ethanol? Which acid is formed by oxidation of ethanol? Ethanol. What is the molecular formula of ethanol? CH3, CH2, OH. You put oxidizing agent, KMnO4, 2 gives CH3, COOH. Okay, it is a acetic acid. It is a what? Acetic acid. Student, keep in the mind, second is the water, right? Keep in the mind, students, by using oxidizing agent or reducing agent, carbon number not increases or decreases. If carbon number is 1, 2 in the reactant side, it's a reactant. Okay. Product side also reactant side carbon number 2, product side also carbon number 2. Okay. Not exceed, not less. Remain same. Okay. Have a look. Remain same. Remain same. Okay, by using oxidizing agent or reducing agent, carbon number not increased. Okay, in the formic acid, carbon number is 1. Acetic acid, carbon number 2. Propanoic acid, carbon number 3. Oxalic acid, COO minus, COO minus. Okay, that is carbon number 2, but it is a what? Bidentate ligands. Got it my point? Anyway, so right answer is B, acetic acid. Do you understand? Now question number 8. Which of the following will give a positive iodoform test? Positive iodoform test. Okay. Ethanol, methanol, propan, primary, formaldehyde. The right answer is ethanol. Students, keep in the mind, in alcohol, CH3, CHOH. It is a format to identify which alcohol are showing iodoform test, positive iodoform test. Okay, ethanol, CH3, CHOH, it is a hydrogen. Okay, that means CH3 CH2OH. That IPS naming is the ethanol. Methanol, only one carbon. Okay, they are not, they have not showing the positive isoform test. Propanol, no. Formaldehyde, also no. The right answer is ethanol. Make sure that format keep in the mind. It's very important. CH3CHOH. Okay. Then question number 9. Question number 9. Which compound contain both aldehyde and acid group? Keep in the mind, student. Glycosyl acid. They have two functional group are here. One is the acid and second is the aldehyde. Okay. Then aldol condensation occur in. Okay. Option number A, methanol, ethanol, acetone, both B and C. How to know which compound showing aldol condensation? Right. So that condition is at least one alpha hydrogen must be present. At least one alpha hydrogen must be present. Okay. So draw the structure. Option number A, methanol. HC double bond O single bond H. They have no alpha hydrogen. Zero alpha hydrogen. The option A is the wrong. Right? Because in the functional group, they have directly attached one carbon atom. This is the alpha. But in this case, only hydrogen atom are here. Okay. That's why methanol it cannot show the aldol condensation. Now, option number B, ethanol. CH3 C double bond O single bond H. Okay, students, here it is a functional group. This is a carbonyl group, the functional group directly attached carbon. It is called the alpha carbon. Okay, that alpha carbon must be present one alpha hydrogen. But here three alpha hydrogen are present. Three alpha hydrogen. Got it? That's why option B is the correct. Now check the option number C. Option number C, acetone. CH3, C double bond O, single bond CH3. Here, this is the carbonyl group. Directly attached carbon is the alpha carbon, both sides. Alpha, alpha. They have 6 alpha hydrogen. That's why option C also correct. Option number D, both B and C. Yeah, obviously, option number D is the correct, both B and C. Okay. Any confusion? Makes your aldol condensation. Okay, at least one alpha hydrogen must be present over here. Now question number 11. Which of these does not reduce tolerance reagent? Very important questions. Formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, benzaldehyde, acetone. Okay, tolerance reagent is a mild oxidizing agent. Okay, mild oxidizing agent. Mild oxidizing agent only oxidize aldehyde. Only oxidized aldehyde. Do not oxidize to ketone. ठीक है? Ketone do not oxidize by using the tolerance reagent. The formaldehyde, aldehyde are here. Yes, tolerance reagent, positive tolerance test is showing. Acetaldehyde, yes, positive tolerance reagent show. Benzaldehyde, yes. Aldehyde, if you present any aldehyde group, then tolerance reagent show. But acetone, they have no tolerance reagent. They have no positive tolerance test. Got it, my part? The right option is the D. Any confusion? Good. Now, question number 12. What is the product of oxidation of benzaldehyde? benzaldehyde, benzene ring attached to CHO. If you get oxidizing agent, if you put, then you get benzoic acid. You get benzoic acid. Aldehyde, it can easily oxidize to benzoic acid. The right answer is A. Then question number 13. Which of the following is most reactive toward nucleophilic addition? It's a very important question. Important question. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Formaldehyde H, C double bond O, single bond H. Acetaldehyde CS3, C double bond O, single bond H. Acetone CS3, C double bond O, single bond CS3. Benzaldehyde, benzene ring attached to C double bond O, single bond H. Okay, here nucleophilic addition reaction. It is a nucleophile. Students, nucleophile are added formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetone, and also benzaldehyde. Got it? But most reactive, most reactive means what? Fast reactions. Got it, my friend? Four are showing the nucleophilic addition reaction, but which one very first? Very first reaction are showing. Answer is formaldehyde. Why? Why? Formaldehyde is showing the most reactive toward nucleophile addition reaction. Listen. So here carbonyl group are here, right? Carbonyl group C double bond O. Carbonyl carbon are delta positive and oxygen the delta negative. Yes or no? This carbonyl carbon are more deficient, electron deficient. That's why nucleophile are adding in carbonyl carbon in the benzyl formaldehyde. Got it? As compared to acetaldehyde, acetone, and benzaldehyde. What happened in acetaldehyde? Acetaldehyde in the methyl group are showing the plus I effect. Okay, that efficiency is decreased. In acetone, what will happen? 2 plus I showing plus I plus I. That's why that positive charge also decreases. In benzaldehyde, what will be happens? Resonance. Resonance, it will be happens, right? That's why that delta positive charge, it will be decreased. Got it my point? That's why only one option formaldehyde are showing very fast nucleophilic addition reaction as compared to acetaldehyde, acetone, and benzaldehyde. I hope all of you understand why formaldehyde are more reactive towards nucleophilic addition reaction, because they have no effects, no plus I effect, no minus I effect, nothing. Got it? That's why formaldehyde are very fast reactions as compared to acetaldehyde, acetone, and benzaldehyde. The right answer is A. Got it? Now, question number 14. Which of the following is the IUPAC name of acetone? Very good. Acetone. CS3, C double bond O, single bond CS3. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon. Here, prop. Single bond, propan, none. Propanone, option B. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 15. In the presence of base, acetaldehyde undergoes. Okay, very good question. In the presence of base, acetaldehyde, student, acetaldehyde, CS3, C double bond O, single bond H, in presence of base. Okay, Scannegera reaction, aldol condensation, hydrolysis reduction. Okay, in this case, both are showing A and B. In the presence of base, acetaldehyde. Okay, acetaldehyde, it's showing aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. Why? Why we are choosing option number B? Okay, because of What is the condition of aldol condensation? At least at least one alpha hydrogen. At least one alpha hydrogen must be present. Must be present. That's why we're going to aldol condensation. Do you understand my point? Cannizzaro reaction, they have no alpha hydrogen. But aldol condensation, at least one alpha hydrogen must be present. Got it? The right answer is B. Right answer is B. What is the general formula of aldehyde? RCHO. Okay, already discussed this point. Which reagent is used in Cannizzaro reaction? Reagent, right? Base. Base, option B, base. Okay, in Cannizzaro reaction, they have also used base. Which compound give effervescence of NaSCO3? Sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so keep in the mind acid, acetic acid. Option number C. They have released CO2 gas. Acetone react with HCN to give acetone CH3 C double bond O single bond CH3 plus HCl H plus Cn minus Cn behave like the nucleophile attack in carbonyl carbon. This pi was shifted to oxygen CH3 CH3 OH Cn cyanohydrin. Okay, option number A. Option number A. Then question number 20. Oxidation of primary alcohol give oxidation of primary alcohol are CH2OH. Oxidizing agent in food. Okay, first of all give the aldehyde, then again oxidation to give to carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. So option B, C, that means both B and C. Option number D, both B and C. Okay, aldehyde is the option number B, carboxylic acid option number C. That means both A and B. Both B and C. Both B and C. Which is the product of Cannizzaro reaction? Students, keep in the mind product of Cannizzaro reactions. They have two products. One is the alcohol. Second one is the salt of carboxylic acid. Salt of carboxylic acid. That means option number A, alcohol and one acid. Option number A. Question number 22. Which acid is the strongest among the following? CH3C double bond or single bond OH, acetic acid, then chloroacetic acid, then propanoic acid, then formic acid. Okay, strongest among them. Answer is formic acid. Got it, my friend? Because of hydrogen, they have does not showing any effects. Minus I plus I nothing. That resonance is very easily takes place. Right? Answer is D. Then aldehyde and ketone react with 2,4-DNP to form hydrazone. 2,4-DNP to form hydrazone. hydrogen 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrogen. That reactant is the 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrogen. Okay, got my point? The structure C double bond O, NO2, NO2. It removed water to gives right. It is a hydra zone. Done. Okay. Now move to the question number 25. Sorry, 24. Which is a test of carboxylic acid? NaSCO3, sodium bicarbonate. CO2 gas is released. Okay. Question number 25. Which of the following give a yellow precipitate with iodine and NaOH? That means iodoform. We're showing the iodoform, right? Answer is iodoform. They have identified the aldehyde ketone C double bond O. It must be there. Okay. So propanol. Propanon. Yes, propanol is way. Acetic acid no. Methanol no. Answer is B. Okay. So students, this is 25 question MCQ. I hope all of you understand. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.